Sydney, Australia's bustling metropolis, is a haven for shoppers from all walks of life. With its vibrant retail scene, the city boasts a plethora of shopping destinations, each catering to a unique customer experience. Among these destinations, W Big 5 stands out as an exceptional shopping center, offering an unparalleled retail experience. Big 5 is renowned for its vast selection of renowned brands spanning fashion, homewares, beauty, and more. Whether you seek the latest designer garments, stylish home decor, or cutting-edge beauty products, W Big 5 is the ultimate destination. Its spacious layout and inviting atmosphere make for a leisurely and enjoyable shopping experience, ensuring that every visit is a memorable one. Big W is a renowned discount department store chain in Australia, known for its wide range of products and competitive prices. With several locations spread across Sydney, here are some of the most popular ones. Big W Burwood. Located in the bustling suburb of Burwood, this Big W store offers a comprehensive selection of items, from groceries and electronics to homeware and fashion. Big W Chatswood. Situated in the heart of Chatswood, this spacious store features a wide aisle layout, making it easy to navigate and find what you need. Big W Bondi Junction. Nestled in the vibrant Bondi Junction shopping precinct, this Big W store is a convenient stop for a quick shopping trip or a weekend browse. Big W Parramatta. Located in the thriving Parramatta CBD, this Big W store is a popular destination for locals seeking great deals on a wide variety of products. Big W Liverpool. Situated in Liverpool's Westfield Shopping Centre, this Big W store offers a massive shopping area and plenty of parking options. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.